Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. This video is regarding IIT Jodhpur M.Tech admissions, dear students. So in order to see what are the departments that are available and specializations available, you have to go to the URL iitj.ac.in/admission-postgraduate-program/en/admission to M.Tech degree programs. So this is the official URL, dear students. Here you can see admission to M.Tech degree programs. So if you scroll down here, closing date of application. So closing date of application is 15th April 2026, dear students. So announcement of shortlisted candidates for the admission process is on 25th April 2026. See, applicants are requested to use the following links to fill and submit the application form online. So this is the URL for Indian citizens. So here you can see this is the official URL, and to get more details about what are the departments that are available and all, there is a brochure here, dear students. You can download the official brochure. So now let me show you the application first of all. So here you can see, once you click on the application for M.Tech for 2026-2027 autumn is given here. So this is email ID and password. You can log in. First of all, you need to register, dear students. So once you click on register, so here you can see name of applicant in full as per last qualifying certificate, your email ID, date of birth, password and confirm password, and then you need to click on register. So then by using the email ID and password, you can log in and then go for filling the application form. Now let us see the details of various departments, dear students. Here you can see this is the brochure. So 11-page brochure is there, dear students, where what are the specializations that are available, the department, and what is the gate qualifying paper that is required for joining this particular branch. Everything is given in this brochure in detail, dear students. So these M.Tech degree programs have been designed to empower students with the competencies to handle state-of-the-art technology in various disciplines, with a strong focus on promoting interdisciplinary innovation. So bioscience and bioengineering, M.Tech in bioscience and bioengineering is there. Computer science and engineering, two specializations are there. One is in artificial intelligence. Second one, computer science and engineering. So in electrical engineering, three specializations are there: cyber physical systems, communication systems, microelectronics and VLSI. Then mathematics, data and computational sciences is there. Mechanical engineering, so three specializations are there: advanced manufacturing and design, thermofluids engineering, drone and anti-drone technologies. Then materials engineering, so M.Tech in materials engineering is there. Chemical engineering department, M.Tech in chemical engineering is there. Civil engineering, civil and infrastructure engineering, three specializations are there: environmental engineering, energy infrastructure and bridge engineering. Then School of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. So here you have augmented reality and virtual reality, dear students. Then IDRD Robotics and Mobility Systems, M.Tech in robotics is there. IDRD Quantum Information and Computation, so M.Tech in quantum technologies. So these are there, dear students. So categories of M.Tech admissions: full-time, regular, eligible for assistantship, fellowship. So here gate rank is mandatory, dear students. Valid gate score is required. So in order to apply for this, so if you have this gate score and if you are eligible for this assistantship or fellowship, you will get the scholarship as per the Government of India norms. Then full-time regular without assistantship and fellowship. So without assistantship, that means without stipend also, there are programs, dear students. Self-sponsored category is there, full-time sponsored category is there, part-time is there, part-time online is there, part-time project sponsored is also there. So part-time online program, candidate is working professional who while employed attends classes in a synchronous audio-visual mode over the internet as per the schedule of the institute, including limited contact sessions. So that is what he has given, dear students. Application procedure, so already I have shown you how to register. The last date to apply is 15th April 2026. That is what he has given. So applicants are required to pay the processing fee of rupees 300 for one program for general and OBC applicants, and rupees 150 for one program for SC, ST and PWD applicants online while submitting the application form. If any candidate applies for more than one program, the processing fee for each of the programs will automatically be summed. That is what he has given, dear students. Kindly follow this instruction very carefully. Then all qualified applicants interested to apply for MTech program under the admission category full-time regular eligible for assistantship fellowship should register first in the COAP portal. So COAP registration number is very, very important in order to apply for admissions into various programs in various IITs, dear students. So first of all, you need to register in the COAP portal. Then you have to use that registration number in order to fill the application form here. So that is what is given here, dear students. Kindly go through this information carefully. So then eligibility for admission here. So the applicant must have bachelor's degree in engineering or science, 4-year program, or a master's program in science, MCA, pharmacy, medical sciences, agricultural sciences and veterinary sciences, or in related field. That is what he has asked. And general OBC category 60% is required, SC/ST PWD 55% is required. So in CGPA scale the information is given, dear students. Kindly go through that. Okay. So then full-time regular eligible for assistantship. So the applicant must either have a valid GATE score or exempted from GATE as per MOE circular, or have an equivalent national examination and or have qualified in the written test and or interview conducted by IIT Jodhpur. So part-time related information is also given, dear students. So here you can see what is the qualifying degree required for the particular specialization and what is the GATE score and in which paper GATE score is required also. He has mentioned clearly, dear students. So for example, artificial intelligence CSC department. So here you can see qualifying degrees B.Tech or BE or BS program of 4 years, any branch of engineering, MCA, Master of Statistics, MSc, any discipline is required. So valid GATE score of computer science or information technology or electrical engineering or electronics and communication or data science and artificial intelligence. So that is what he has given. So you can see, dear students, B.Tech or BS program of 4 years from any branch of engineering or M statistics from any of the CFTI with CPI or CGPA 8 out of 10 or above. So the requirement of valid GATE score is exempted. So this is what he has given, dear students. Kindly go through this information carefully for each and every department. So what is the eligible degree that is required, the qualifying degree and qualifying GATE paper also he has given. So you can go through this carefully, dear students, in the 11-page document that is there. So for each and every specialization they have given. So what are the qualifying degrees that are required? So and then what is the valid GATE score that is required in a particular paper. Okay. So try to remember this, dear students. First of all, you need to register in the COAP portal. So first of all, you need to register in the COAP portal. So then you will get a COAP registration number. So by using that COAP register number, so you have to fill this application form that is available in the URL, dear students. The last date to apply is 15th April 2026 and announcement of shortlisted candidates is on 25th April 2026, dear students. Okay. Thank you. All the very best.